How to change Google ID password. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change your Google ID password. So let's get started. First, as you have to open your any browser or you can directly open your Gmail account on your Gmail app. Simply open any platform. After you open browser, at the top right, tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on your Google account. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Manage your Google account. After you come on your Google account section, you'll have to swipe right from the top and tap on Security. From here, you'll have to scroll down and come on the section Password. After you find it, tap on that. And from here to continue, first you'll have to just verify it is you. For that, enter your Google ID password. Or you can also go with the option Try another way. After you enter your Google ID password, tap on Next. And now you are done. From the section, you can manually set a new password for your Gmail account. On the section New Password, provide your new password, and on the section Confirm, you'll have to confirm that password. After you confirm the new password, tap on the option Change Password over here. After you tap on that, you'll be able to change your Google or Gmail ID password. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.